Hi, welcome to Dave's Tiny Kitchen. Today it's another first for me, in as much as it's a new dish to start with, as ever, but it's also a part of Colin's cooking channel, 3-ingredient cook-off. The way that works is Colin has drawn actually 4 ingredients out of a hat. So the 4 ingredients drawn were pork, artichoke, melon, and finally cabbage. I chose to go with pork, artichoke, and cabbage. I didn't want to do anything with the melon. I think it's a bit out of my scope, if you like. The only thing I know to do with melon is to eat it. So I should be doing cabbage rolls, and to my Romanian friends, not sarmale. I will not be making sarmale before you start going on at me. I'll be making cabbage rolls with a bit of a Moroccan influence in them, and kind of a artichoke kind of stir fried rice thingy. So let's crack on. Got there in the end. So a little look at some of the ingredients. Obviously we've got some boiled cabbage leaves already done, nice and cold, ready to roll. We've got a grated red onion, raw but grated, a very finely cut couple of almonds, some harissa, salt, pepper, garlic, maybe a bit of cumin, some tomato sauce passata to go over the top, and some pre-cooked, flavoured, jarred artichokes. The reason for that is I've never cooked an artichoke in my life. I've seen them on TV, haven't seen any locally. They look pretty scary. Look into the prep that gets involved in doing them, looks even worse. So for me, it's the easy option. Let's crack on. So for the first bit is to make the filling for the cabbage rolls, which in there is about a pound of ground minced pork. We've got our lovely grated red onion. That's going straight in, along with our apricots. That's it. Salt, pepper, garlic. And lastly, the harissa paste. That much. Then all we do is we squidge that together and we'll assemble the cabbage rolls. Roll that up like that. Yep. Tuck in that edge. Tuck in that edge. And that's it. So we place that at the back of the cabbage, and we tuck in, pull the back over, tuck it in, fold the edges in either side, and then just reasonably tightly roll it up. Simple as, put them in the dish. Okay, so there are our assembled cabbage rolls. Now it's just time to make up the tomato sauce that's going to cover them. So for that we've got a box of this tomato passata, and we'll just top that up with a little bit of hot water. And this should just cover the cabbage rolls, hopefully. If not, all you've got to do is just add more water. And we pour on our tomato sauce. That's not a bad guess, is it? There we are, that goes into the oven on 180 Celsius for about an hour and a half. I'll have a look at it after about an hour. If it's dried out, we'll add a little bit more water, or just play it by ear. So I'm just going to cover that. And that's going to go in, and we'll come back in about an hour or so. Well, here we are. Here's our cabbage rolls, fresh out of the oven, well, 5 minutes ago. Just cooling down, quite hot at the moment. We're just going to let them settle, and then we'll put them on a plate and have a taste. Okay, next is our little kind of artichoke fried rice thingy. I'm using cold pressed extra virgin rapeseed oil. As you can see, it's got a wonderful yellow colour. And into that I'm just going to add, not all of these, but maybe half. Just a few red pepper pieces, just for a bit of flavour and a little bit of colour. Okay, into that goes our artichoke pieces, drained of the oil, which I'm saving, by the way. Now these artichoke pieces are already cooked. Into that I'm going to add some pre-cooked basmati rice with a few herbs. "30 seconds maybe, and then serve." So here we are, cabbage rolls and a fried rice with artichokes. So with a Moroccan influence. So let's give it a go. So here's our cabbage rolls stuffed with Moroccan spiced pork. Let's give it a go. artichoke fried rice. Lovely. Give it a go. Thanks for watching. Thank you to Colin. I think I've got juice on my beard. Thank you to Colin for the invite to the 3-ingredient cook-off. And good luck to everyone. Crack on.